Let's balance the reaction for NH3 plus O2. This is ammonia and this is oxygen gas. In this case, we end up with N2 plus H2O. To balance the equation, let's first count the atoms up. 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogens, and 2 oxygens on the reactant side. On the product side, we have 2 nitrogens, 2 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Let's leave the oxygens till last. That's a good idea, especially when you have O2 by itself here. So why don't we balance the nitrogens? We could put a 2 in front of the NH3. 1 times 2, that would give us 2 nitrogens. Those are balanced. The 2, it goes to everything though. So 3 times 2 for the hydrogens, that gives us 6. So to balance the hydrogens, it looks like we could put a 3 in front of the H2O. 2 times 3, that would give us 6, and then 1 times 3, that would give us 3. So we kind of have a bit of a problem here. We have 2 oxygens and then 3 oxygens here. Probably the best thing to do here would be to get this to be an even number. Let's just double this to 6. So now we have 2 times the 6. That gives us 12 hydrogens. 1 times the 6. We have 6 oxygens. Remember, we can fix the oxygens pretty easily here without changing anything else. So let's see what we can do here now for the hydrogens. It looks like if we change this to a 4, we just double it as well, that should fix the hydrogens. So 3 times 4, that would give us 12, and then 1 times 4, we'd have 4 nitrogen atoms. But we're close now, because we could just double the nitrogen. 2 times 2, that would give us 4. For the oxygens, we'll put a 3 here. 2 times 3, that equals 6. And we're done. This equation is balanced. So the challenge here is when you have an odd number, if you can get that to be an even number, that's often very helpful, like we did with the water here. If you were to write the states, it would look like this. And I'm guessing the water would be a gas. Since this is a combustion reaction here, it would be hot. So the water probably, at least initially, would be a gas. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for NH3 plus O2 yields N2 plus H2O. Ammonia plus oxygen gives us nitrogen gas and water. Thanks for watching.